Hello, my name is Gavin, and this is a brief sync episode on how to use Google Domain with your GCP Cloud Compute instance. Now to do this, it's fairly simple and I'll show you real quickly. So over here on the home page to Google Cloud Platform, what you'll simply want to do is click on this navigation hamburger bar, go down to VPC network, and then do external IP addresses. The reason why you want to do this is because normally by default, it will make an ephemeral IP address and you don't want that. You want it to be static. So just click static, name it literally anything, reserve, and then now it will give you a new address. Now, once that's done, you'll simply want to copy this now because we'll need it later. Okay, so the next part to this tutorial is to go back to the navigation menu, and under VPC network, you'll see network services. Go there and click Cloud DNS. On Cloud DNS, it should ask you to create your first zone if you haven't already. Simply click that, and then for the zone name, you can call it whatever you want. I'll just name it the same as the domain. And then for this next box, you have to put in the actual domain name. Make sure it's correct. I've definitely put that in wrong a few times. Now we'll want to create two record sets. The first one we'll leave blank. This is basically your subdomain, and the IP address we copied earlier, that is our new static one, we'll just paste right there. So with that there, we'll create another one, and this is for any of the web browsers that automatically put www in the beginning. Just simply just want to create another one just like that. And then here you'll see these weird domain names. Same for register setup. You'll have these. And these change depending on the project. So every time you do this, you'll probably see a different letter. Make sure you use your register instead of like mine, because yours may be any other letter besides A. Okay, once we're done with that, you'll simply want to go to your DNS here under Google Domains. So I'll simply just show you. So under your domains, you want to click manage, and I want to use this one and do DNS right here. Click on use custom DNS or name servers, and we'll want to paste the first one there. And you want to do this with number 2, number 3, and number 4. Simply save that, and it will say it can take up to 48 hours. Usually I find this takes 1 to 5 minutes. So if I look at the external IP address, I can see it's running Apache, but if I go to the domain name, it's taken a little while. So we'll give this a few minutes and come back to it and see how it works. Okay, so about 20 minutes later of checking to see if my domain went through and if I made any mistakes, I see that everything works. It shows the same as the external IP address, and that's it.